Hey internet, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing. This is the Fab Fit Fun for the summer months. She is a hefty girl. I don't know why it's actually this thick, because I can actually, for once in my life, actually remember a couple of the things that I customized for this. Fab Fit Fun is a subscription box that gives you different kinds of makeup products, different kinds of fitness products, and they're all full size. This is not sponsored, but I pay for this every single month, and I just got it a couple days ago, and I've been dying to open it, and I was waiting for good lighting. I was waiting for a couple other things, so let's crack her open. Oh, and also, every single month they support a different charity, and the charity on this one for the summer is the Special Olympics, and they'll probably have some reading on the inside in the pamphlet they give you regarding what they're doing to support the charity on there. I just wanted to give a shout out to that as well. Okay, so here's what it looks like when you open it up. Here's the reading that I was talking about before. This reading on the top usually gives you some spoilers, so I'm not actually going to look at it right now. It'll also tell you a little bit more about the charity that I was just talking about. So on top here we have a $50 credit for something called Bright Sellers. I don't know if this is going to be relevant. Some of the things that they give in this are not relevant to Canadian cities. I've noticed with some things that I've gotten in here. I live in Canada, and some of these are like only United States kinds of things. But this one is a wine subscription, so I might have to use that. Also on top here we have, actually they usually have HelloFresh as one of their sponsors. So this one is called Green Chef, and they give you $90 off your first purchase plus free shipping. This is a meal subscription service that you could probably use right now in the pandemic, so you don't have to go out and stand in line to get groceries. But it actually seems to be getting better now. Doesn't seem like we have to wait as long to get inside. But anyways, if you want to get this, they give you $90 off. Okay, so let's dive in and see what we got here. Okay, so the first product that I see here is a Kula product. This is a moisturizer, but I think it also has SPF. Yeah, SPF 30 mineral sunscreen. I think this was one of the products that you could choose. And actually this one, when you chose it, it actually said that it might take longer for the box to come. I guess they had low stock of it and they were waiting for it, or they were waiting for the shipment to come in when the box was being released. Yeah, so this is actually TSA approved, which is really good. So you can actually put this in your carry-on and it won't get taken away. Cruelty-free, which I love. Let's see if it has any color to it. Here's what the actual packaging looks like. Let's see, it's a nice color bottle. Of course, there's a little seal on it. 1 second here. No, it's just regular sunscreen. Let's see if it has any smell. Sometimes I really don't like the smell of sunscreen. It's just regular white. Actually, it has a really weird smell. It's not even like a sunscreen smell, but it actually goes on and it feels matte. I wonder if you can actually put this on your face. Yeah, it is. It's for face. Oh, it's cucumber smell. I didn't even notice that. It says right on the thing that it's a cucumber smell right there. But that does, I guess it kind of smells like it once it settles. Yeah, so I'll definitely be using this. Summer just started. This is the summer box, obviously. So this is definitely something that I'll be using. So the next product that I'm just going to pull out here randomly is a hand cream by Spongel. It's just a 2-ounce hand cream, which is really good right now, because if y'all have been washing your hands every 5 seconds like I have and putting hand sanitizer and just drying the shit out of your hands, this might be good. It's a coconut smell infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, argan oil. They all have these little seals on it, which is really good to make sure that you know that it has not been used before. Let's get a smell of this one. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like summer. I love like summery like smells. And it was just white. I didn't want to show it because it doesn't really matter. Oh yeah, that's really, really, really nice. Oh my god, it smells like tanning oil. Yeah, so that's a really good product. I don't think I chose this one. I think it was just one of the things that came into the box. Next we have a facial oil. I'm pretty sure this was one of the ones that I chose. It is by the brand Hydropeptide. It's a facial oil, anti-wrinkle and restore, 30 milliliters. Flower extracts, avocado, pumpkin oils, rice bran extract. This antioxidant-rich blend of a dozen precious oils locks in moisturizer and helps protect the skin from environmental stressors. Let's see. Oh my god, I can't open it. I don't really like putting oil on my face. I actually just started putting a certain kind of oil on my face because I have really mixed combination skin. Like, it gets oily, but it's also very, very parched and dry. It's a glass bottle, which is really nice. It has nice weight to it. Here's the actual bottle. Let's see. Has a little dropper. Oh wow. I don't really want to like drop it on me, but why does like everything smell like booster juice? Like it smells like fresh, like what is that thing called? Wheatgrass. I don't think there's wheatgrass in there, but I will definitely try this. Like I said, I don't really like putting oils on my skin. I'm pretty sure you probably put this on with a moisturizer. Yeah, it just says use sweeping and patting motions to apply to the face and neck. I'll give an update maybe on my Instagram to see if this has helped with, I guess, anti-wrinkle. I don't really have that many wrinkles, but I am kind of getting some on my forehead. And if you want to follow my Instagram, I'll put my Instagram handle on the screen right now so you can go and follow it. Next thing that I'm pulling out here is a unibrow. A brow pencil. I think I saw unibrow on here somewhere. Or I saw yeah, it says unibrow. I'm not crazy. It says unibrow right there, I swear. So this is a brow pencil. It's super cute packaging. Look at that, purple with gold product. It says the shade that works for everyone. We'll see about that. I got some dark eyebrows, and I know a lot of people have light eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do like a little swatch to see. Same shade works for every brow. I definitely want to know if that's true. I kind of have like a general color of brow that like mostly everyone has. I don't know if that's true or not. But let's get a... It's just like brown, like browny black. I don't know if that's gonna be similar to everyone. So there's the tip of it there. And let's see, I think there's another side. I think there might be a spoolie on the other side. Yeah, so there's a spoolie on the other side to brush through them. Don't even look at my brows right now because, girl, we're in quarantine and I have not got them done in like, I don't even know, like 4 months, maybe even longer than that actually. And I don't really do anything because I don't really have like a bad shape. It's just like they're getting too long and I've had to cut them many, many times. I will check this out to see if it does match my color. I do like the angle that it has on it. I don't know if you saw it there, but it has like a bit of an angle so you can get precision brow techniques, I guess. So that is something I will try. Okay, so we have a couple more products in here. I'm just gonna pull out this because it's one of the smaller things that's in here. It is a makeup sponge. This was, I think, in everyone's package. It is called, Makeup Drop, and it's actually a hybrid sponge. So it's a hybrid between a regular makeup sponge and those silicone sponges that everyone was getting a while back. So this part right here is actually silicone and then the rest is a sponge. So it's a regular, like almost like beauty blender size. It says it eliminates the waste. I love the iridescent packaging. So I guess you just apply it to the silicone area and then put that on and then dab in the areas that you want to blend. I don't know if I'm gonna like that much. I tried the silicone sponge and I wasn't a fan of it. I found that it kind of streaked a little bit, but we'll try this one out and see if that one does any better. Sorry guys, I have really bad allergies right now. I swear I'm not sick. Allergies are just pumped up right now. So let's pull out another product here. We have a satin pillow sleeve. I have a satin cover. I don't know if it's satin or it's, what's the other fabric? Velvet? No, not velvet. Wow, I just realized the lighting's really bad. So this is a cover for your pillow to, I thought it was just so that your hair doesn't get messed up. It says the satin pillow sleeve is designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed. Our innovative open-ended design fits most pillow standard king, queen pillows and pillowcases. So it's not actually a full pillowcase, I guess. So I guess it's just a sleeve that goes on it. So it just looks like this. Yeah, so it just slips over your own pillow. It's actually open on both sides. I might actually try this because I didn't like the one that I had because it kind of just slipped. Oh, the other side is like, so one side is satin and one side is like regular pillow material. So I guess this goes at the back. So I'm actually going to try this and see if it actually helps with, it's supposed to help with your hair not getting as frizzy and stuff. So I'll definitely be trying that as well. Okay, so we have 2 more things in the box. I'll take out the bigger thing because I'm leaving what I picked as kind of like the best for last because I love the color of it. So this one is a decorative vase. I did not know I was going to be getting that. I don't know if you could see that there. Let's open it up and get a better look at it. I thought it was, when I saw like the picture of it, I thought it was a diffuser. It kind of looks like that. I don't know what I would use a vase for. I'm not really a vase person. Oh, it's really cute though. Okay, so it kind of looks like it's actually clay vase, and then it has like the drippings of paint on it. You probably fit like 1 flower in there. Actually, I'm growing some flowers, so I might actually put some in there when I get them grown well enough. I'm not sure how much I'll use this. Actually, they've had products from Exo Sienna before. That's the brand that's on there. And I don't remember exactly what it was, but yeah, this is really cute and I wasn't really expecting it. So there's that. So we're just gonna move on to the last product that I see in here. And that is I'm pretty sure this is a blanket that I chose. This was one of the first items that I got to choose. So this is it's a beach towel. It's a beach towel from L Space. I don't know if it's Low Space or LA Space. Let's open it up and see if we can get a better view of it. There's so many freaking silica packets and I hate them because I'm so afraid that my dog's gonna get it and like her insides are gonna dry up. So I'm trying to keep track of all of them here. Oh my god, I love this. The main thing that I loved about this was the color. It's actually like beach towel material, so that makes a whole lot of sense. So this is the beach towel. Ooh, wow, it looks really nice on camera. So it's just like a tie-dye like print, and yeah, I'll definitely be using this. I actually got to book camping for my birthday next month in July, and I'm hoping that all goes to plan and we can actually go and have something to do for once this whole year. A couple of my friends are coming, so I'll definitely be bringing this to use for camping and use if we're able to go in the water, because I know that the camping site is open, but I don't know if the actual water area is open yet. But yeah, that's everything that was in the summer Fab Fit Fun box. Fab Fit Fun box. I will put a link in the description if you want to get $15 off of your first box. Everything I usually use in this box, whether or not I use it consistently is another story. I will kind of just like go back and forth. You kind of want to keep a pretty consistent face regimen, and my skin has been acting kind of crazy. I don't know if it's because of stress during all this time or whatever it is, but yeah, I'm trying to find something that really works for me. I'm excited to try the oil. Definitely going to be using the what is it called? Sunscreen, because I'm running out of my regular sunscreen. I usually use the my god, my brain is literally like gone right now. I usually use the Clinique one, so I'm going to be trying this one and see if it works. I think the Clinique one is actually less SPF. This is 30 SPF. So if you would like to see more unboxings, I should have some coming soon. We'll see about that. But subscribe and like the video for more content like this, and stay curious, guys.